So hello friends, today I'm going to show you a very quick video on how to, well, it's not even actually fixed because the lens is perfectly functional. It's a Micro-Nikkor 55 f3.5, and then the problem it has, as all Micro-Nikkors of this model, is that they tend to collect dust inside. As you can see here, yeah, that speck there, it doesn't affect image quality and doesn't do anything at all, but it's rather annoying. But then I'm going to show you this fix is extremely quick, and then to do so you need these rubber cups here that I'm showing now. If you want to know more about the tools, you can probably check my video on the tools of lens repair. You can see it on my channel. And then I have these rubber cups. Then to remove this element here, so first of all we need to remove this ring here, which is rotating now, as you can see. So we can unlock the second ring here. Okay, see, I got this first ring. Then now I can proceed to remove the second one, which was blocked by this one. So second rubber cup, see, it moves easily. Then I just need to rotate the lens a bit. Okay, and it comes out, and then I reach my lens, and then I can see the annoying speck of dust. You can see it, and it's just here. Yeah, let me get a toothpick. You see, it's just there, and then I just need to blow. I take advantage, blow the lens. I put it in this direction, then I just simply have to reassemble. Up. I just rescrew this. Up. It's locked. Then I put the biggest one. Again, I screw. And then you're done. Your lens is clean and you're happy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.